Oh my Lord, help me. Okay. Ah. Nice, sleepy, relaxing. Oh my God, I forgot. Today's a big day. He's meant to be coming any second now. Oh, there he is. Quickly, quickly, come on. We gotta do this. We gotta do this now. We gotta rob now. Go quicker. What he said. If you didn't hear them, then sad times. Wait. I'm just gonna. Yeah, okay. Let's go. Wait. Go. Wait, he's coming. Bruh. Oh my God, I hit the bus. I hit the bus. Funny. Yeah, we're literally unrobbing this place. He's coming. I see his flashlight. I'm gonna die. Like, look at him. He's like, he literally just looks at us like, hey guys. Wait. Okay, wait. We're gonna get too close. Right, go. And hide. Nope, he doesn't see me. He just... Go. Why? I did the thingy. Okay. Hi. Okay. Right, dude. You know what to do. Okay. Pass me the dime. Okay. So. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay, get the card. Okay, I'll tell you when to get out, okay? Stay in. Do you see the card? Wait. Okay, wait. Don't go. Wait, by the way, there's a present where the fridge is. No, you cannot. I know. I see. I'm hiding. Oh my God, I can't believe you can't see me. I pressed it. Wait. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, go. Oh, I hear new music. Oh. Okay, there's lasers. No! We were so close. Oh my God. This is really fun. Wait, should I be the diamond holder and you be the card holder? No, you hold the key and the card and I'll hold the diamond. I'm Diamond Man. You gotta sing the perfect song to break diamond. Go. Wait. Okay, go. Go quickly. Oh my god, you're so lucky. Bro, like seriously. Go. Oh, wait, no, don't go, don't go, don't go. He's coming back. He's coming back to town. He sees a right, hee ha, hoo hee. Oh, he's coming, he's coming. He doesn't see me, he doesn't see me. We can go. Watch out, there's a laser, there's a laser. Repeat, there's a laser. Okay, I see him. Watch out, there's a laser. Okay, nice. Hit it. Right. 3. Damn. I pressed it, I pressed it. I'm literally hiding from my life right now. Do not come out. I repeat, do not come out. Right. Don't get out. Do not. He's literally there. Do not.
I can see his flash.
Uh-oh. No, he doesn't see me.
He's like,
I was like, no, you do not see me. Okay. Wait. No, 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 don't you dare. Oh, shoot, he's coming back. He's coming back. He's coming back.
this is sounding confusing.
Sir, can you just leave us alone? We're trying to unrob the bank. It's the bank. Okay, wait.
I can tell you.
I hit the noise, I hit the noise. Oh. Uh-oh. Yep, come, now, quickly. Quickly. Right. Okay, I'll do this.
I know where the other car is.
It's in that door, isn't it?
Yeah. But then, this is another car. I need help. He's right there. Right there.
Okay, coming.
No, I don't need help. Don't come.
Okay, you got it? Nice. Perfect. Nice. I got the diamond. Let's go. Oh my lord. Yes! We unrobbed the diamond! We did it! You did it! Phew, that was a relief. Okay, I'll explain. I stole the diamond from the bank. I felt really bad and guilty, so I decided I wanted to put it back. But I've been caught stealing before, and if I got caught again, I'd be real big trouble. So I got you guys to put it back instead, and you guys did a great job too. Take this as your reward. Thanks, little Wobbly. I got a full hat. Follow me. Let's go pop it on. Follow me. Hop on. Yeah, we've been doing we've reviewed like 7 times because we kept failing, and it. Yeah. So this is the first time we did it. Go to the police station. Yeah, we're gonna go tell him. We gotta go. 1 second. Yeah, if you didn't see a video, sadly it didn't upload it. Sad times. But yeah, I got this little conductor thing. But yeah, pretty much it. I mean, I could make another video on it. But... Wait, go to your balcony. Go to your balcony. I'll see it. Wait, where's... Oh, there's your balcony. Wait, what the... Yeah? Wait, oh, wait. Hold up. Wait. Help me! Hold up, I'm coming. Wait. Wait, come out the window. Okay, I'm watching. Let's see. Wait, I want to do... Oh, wait, can I put it on? Put that on. Alright, where's that hat? Ready? Ready? Hello. Oh yeah, I saw that coins. Right, follow me. There's something you need to see. Uh-huh. Just come over here. Okay, hop in this car. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, I think, yeah, oh yeah. Iron Spiderbot would absolutely, like, be like, oh, I wish I was there. Because Iron Spiderbot's right now doing a live stream with his other popular friend. Like, we're not popular. But anyway, I mean, I guess I am. I kind of am. 2.8k views is kind of popular. Bank Bros, dude. I have no clue what you just said. Oh yeah, it's blue. Oh yeah, I see it. That's cool. Cool. So basically, two things we're gonna do today, which is kind of cost $50 each of us. Well, 100 for a hot dog Matt and 50 for me. We're just gonna come over to this person. Hey. Right. So what we're gonna do is we're doing this twice. The reason why we're doing this twice is because the first time is we're gonna get. Okay, here I'll just tell you after this guy stops talking to me. Blah blah blah. Once we have the storm in sight, we'll try fly over it. Wait. I'll tell what's gonna happen. Okay. You may want to get a backpack on before we jump. No, I don't have any questions. No, okay. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. do the actual thing. Next time we're gonna get the tornado outfit, okay? Right. This is a little bit tour to yeah. So we're gonna do this twice. One is to get a parachute backpack that you can keep, like it's like an outfit. So whenever you want, you can jump out and use a parachute. And the second of all is we're gonna do this again, but instead of jumping over the tornado, we're gonna go over it and jump out, and we're gonna land on a little battleship. I'll show you that when we jump out, and we're gonna go to that battleship next time we do this, and we get a tornado suit. So I'll explain it better, but if you see that little battleship back there, yeah, the one that carries the jet plane. We're going there, but that's next time. We're doing the plane. We're doing the tornado first. Thanks. It just I'm gonna take some money before we go. Oh, it's open. Hold on tight before you don't get full. No. Oh my god. 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 No, we're gonna fall. We're gonna fall. Hold on tight, Father. No, friend. No, friend. No, we have to do this together, or else we'll die. Hey, look, there's a look at the stuff we're bringing. Holy cow. This is crazy. Anyway, should we go say dude the weird? Dude the weird, dude weird. Yeah. I'll grab your dollar bill. 1 second. This game's really loud. Hold up. Apply. Okay. Okay, let me just quickly load this. Okay, let me grab it. There's your dollar bill. There you go. Go give it to the man to say thank you for bringing you. Dude, get ready. Go. I got it. I got the scan. I woke up. Hello. We're gonna. Yeah. Sure, take one. But you better give that back. No, I'm running away. Goodbye, bank brother. It's okay. Wait. Look at this. Do not drink and drive. You will spill your drink and be arrested. I have a helicopter. Goodbye. Hop on, quickly, before we die. Actually, go to your house. We're gonna try on the thing. I'm not sure if I got it or not, but I'll check. No, I didn't get it. Sad. Me. Life is a lie. Did you get an outfit?
Yeah, I did. I got it. Well, are you ready to do the other thing?
Let me fly. I'm better at flying. Alright, let's go. What? What?
Wait, no, you said the parachute outfit. When you go over to the other guy, go tell the other guy. Go tell the other guy. Go tell the family. Go tell the guy over there. Go tell the station, and you'll get the parachute outfit. And then you can change the weather.
Oh yeah, right, right. Okay, quick detour, everyone.
You'll be able to change the weather right now for free.
Yeah.
Okay, go tell them. Go tell them. Go tell them. Wait, where? Oh my God, the couch. The couch is still there.
Yeah, vehicles don't despawn.
Well, they do if you spawn a new one.
Yeah, but I haven't spawned a vehicle yet, so.
Bro, over here.
You did it! This is exactly what we needed. Just type the storm data into the system. Yes, it's working. I didn't think it would actually work. Go give it a try. Okay. Okay. Yeah. How cool was that? Now we can change the weather at the time we want. Anytime you will last for a whole day. Although there is a catch. This time I let you use it for free. But from now on it will cost 200 each time you use it. Running this equipment isn't cheap, you know. Thanks for helping me out. You're the best. I got it. I'm gonna go put it on now. Yeah. It's right here. Yeah, we're just going straight. Okay. Yep, that after we get the tornado outfit, that'll be end. Dude, do you have the backpack equipped? Where is the place? Oh, there it is. Hold up, I just gotta find where it is. Okay, there it is. Now, dude, I'm gonna press F, and you're gonna press double F, okay? Bye-bye. I deployed my parachute! Yo, dude, are you okay? Dude, are you okay? Dude, help me! Help me! Wait, yeah, 3, 2, 1, go! Hee hee, hello. Bye-bye. Well, I already have the parachute equipped, so you may want to equip it.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, I just copyrighted the word.
What?
Are you ready? I copyrighted this.
I am. You really need to learn what copyright means. Saying words is not a copyright. Saying songs is a copyright. Ah, it just opened my vault. It just opened my vault. Okay, wait. There we go. what we've been waiting for. I've already done this, by the way. Anyway. Yeah. I wish you could like. Dude, he says it's about to get rough. Oh my god. Why do... Get in the car. Should we locate where the battleship is quickly? Okay. Yep, it's literally directly... Wait, I'm trying, wait, hold me there, okay? Wait. No, wait. Hold me there, okay? Where's this plane? Thanks. I just saw the cow. Okay, where am I? Remember, we can't be a second late. I see it. It's right ahead of us. So, dude, when you descend, just don't like activate your parachute until you're like close to it. Let go of me. Trust me. Go. Right. Deploy your parachute and then go closer. You cannot be a second late. Come on. We got this. I'm same. Yes! Oh my god! Let's go. I'm going to the city. Okay, I'm coming to your house. I won't. And you can watch this video to prove. Pinky swear. I'm not at your house. Look at me. I wish it had any cool effects. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope I hope you're to, uh, 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 the tornado day. Goodbye. Like and subscribe, please. Please make this video go viral, like it did, like the last one. And goodbye.